To obtain a new vehicle registration card, also known as replacing a vehicle registration card, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, determine the reason for replacement, such as loss, theft, or damage to the original card. Gather the required documents, including your vehicle title, proof of insurance, and identification. Next, fill out the application form for a replacement registration card, which can usually be found on the website of your state's Department of Motor Vehicles or obtained in person at a local office. Be sure to fill out the form accurately and completely, as any errors may delay the process. You will also need to provide payment for the replacement fee, which varies by state. This can typically be done online, by mail, or in person, depending on your state's DMV policies. Once you have submitted your application and payment, your new registration card will be processed and mailed to you. It is essential to note that some states may offer expedited services for an additional fee, which can provide faster processing and delivery of your replacement registration card. Additionally, if your vehicle registration is about to expire, you may need to renew it at the same time you apply for a replacement card. To avoid any delays, ensure that all information is accurate and up to date, and that you have all necessary documents before submitting your application. By following these steps and providing the required information, you can quickly and easily obtain a new vehicle registration card. It is also a good idea to keep a record of your replacement application, including the date submitted and any relevant tracking information, to ensure you receive your new card in a timely manner.